kids today, bring your galoshes and your umbrellas, raincoats.
Be prepared.
What else?
Etc.
Yes.
Be careful if you're outside. You definitely want to be inside in the time of a thunderstorm.
The raindrops here started falling a little over an hour ago, and they haven't let up. It has been a strong, steady rain.
More than 2 inches of rain could fall in the area by the end of the weekend.
John? It's raining.
Just it's raining. That's not rain. Too hot. No. No. This is it. This is it. Here I come.
Now, the rain has ended for Baltimore for now.
Well, and not everyone's seeing the rain so far this morning. A lot of areas are dry, but that's all about to change.
Yes. No. Doesn't make sense. And it's like I go outside and it's raining and I step outside and it's not, and like what is going on? And like
Well, it was a rainy day. The sun is certainly out right now, but trust me, I was standing outside in the rain for several hours early this morning.
why? Why?
All I wanted was to go out in the rain. I just wanted to play in the rain. I just really like rain. Rain.